Puso, this morning laing beauty queen na sab ang ato ang ilailahon. Siya ang reigning Aliwan Fiesta Digital Queen 2020 ug Miss Kabadbaran 2020. Walay lain pa kundi si Jannarie Zarzoso. Good morning, Jannarie, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta?
Hi, maayong buntag sa atong mga viewers and sa At Home with GMA. Of course, I am doing well, thank God. It's a very hot day. I hope everybody is safe pod.
Jannarie, curious kaayo, may childhood dream na ba nimo ang mahimong usa ka beauty queen?
Na, attorney Resi, sa una ra gyud sukad pagkabata, as in grabe gid kay ko kaadik og pageants kanang magtanaw ko sa TV, as in I feel so inspired whenever I watch beauty pageants. I feel so empowered, so I brought it with me and it's become a dream na gyud.
Jannarie, your recent title is Aliwan Fiesta Digital Queen 2020, pero bago ka na, nakoronahan ka isip Miss Kabadbaran 2020. Pwede ba nimo ma-share sa amuha kung kumusta ang imuhang journey sa maong pageant?
So, Attorney Resi, I was blessed enough to experience the pageant on stage because Miss Kabadbaran 2020, I was crowned before the pandemic. So, after the lockdown, before the lockdown, kay March mo ng lockdown, so I was crowned in February. So I had a lot in mind. I had a lot of activities placed which required face-to-face interaction. But then the pandemic hit, so I had to adapt into a new world, into the online platform. So what I did was I looked for pageants online that would give me the opportunity to represent Kabadbaran City to the entire Philippines. So I was blessed enough to have discovered Aliwan Fiesta Digital Queen. Kay the platform is super nice, no? Not only will I get to showcase Kabadbaran City during our Pride of Place segment, but I also get to share the advocacy and the causes that I support.
Sa imong tanaw, base pud sa imong experience, unsa ba ang kalahian sa usa ka live pageant o digital pageant?
It's so difficult when you join a digital pageant. It's more stressful than actually joining an actual or a live pageant, because in the digital pageant, you put this pressure on yourself that everything needs to be flawless because it can be retaken not once or thrice, but maybe thousands or not thousands, maybe 20s ingon ana. So mabantayan jud nimo ang flaws, and of course kanang whenever you walk on stage, you need to hype yourself up kay wala man kay audience because of the strict protocols nga gi-implement sa Aliwan Fiesta nga ang dapat naaragid sa venue kay ikaw unya ang imuhang cameraman. So imagine hyping yourself up and keeping the momentum, the excitement all on your own. So you are the performer and you are the audience at the same time. So challenging.
Please share to us also kung unsa ang imuhang mga advocacy o mga initiatives nga gibuhat sama na lamang sa community pantry nga imong gilusan.
Yeah, so I am grateful because of the title of Aliwan Fiesta Digital Queen. Mas nid ako gyud ang ako ang reach, no? Ang ako ang influence din here sa among area. So I was able to raise funds for community pantries. Whenever na ay mo donate, mo kuan pod mi sa amo ang part by giving food packs, mga relief goods sa people here in Kabadbaran City. And another thing is I also get to focus on my advocacy, which is psoriasis awareness. Actually, this month is Psoriasis Awareness Month. So nahatagan po ko og chance through this online platform to share my story in a greater scale. So tungod sa online beauty pageants, I get to share my story and inspire a lot of people, not only in Kabadbaran City, but the entire world.
Daghan kayo tag mga kabatanunan nga nananaw karon nga na-inspire gayud sa imuhang journey, unsa ang imuhang mensahe alang kanila?
So ang ako lang yung message, no, kay dili ta mahadlo. Kay once we start overcoming our fear, everything comes or falls into place. So that first step of conquering your fear and actually doing it, no, go for it. Go sa imong mga ambition in life, whatever it may be in your studies or whatever, joining a beauty pageant, just go for it. And of course, salig gid sa imong self. Importante that we have faith in ourselves and faith in God, kay diha gid ta mukuha og strength.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Jannarie, sa pag-uban ka namo dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Amping kanunay!
Thank you so much, Attorney Resi, for the opportunity. It's such an honor, and I hope you guys take care. And sa atong mga kapuso viewers dira, pag-amping pagpirmi and stay at home para makakontribute ta sa pag-undang ani ang pandemya.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.